Everyone, welcome to the Literature Window on my YouTube channel. And today in this segment, I have brought the chapter of CBSE Class 10th English book, Making of a Scientist. Okay, moving ahead, I must tell you that in this video, I will be giving you an explanation and introduction of the chapter. इस वीडियो में मैं आपको इस चैप्टर मेकिंग ऑफ अ साइंटिस्ट का एक्सप्लानेशन हिंदी में और साथ ही साथ इंग्लिश में भी आपको देने जा रहा हूं। लेकिन इससे पहले कि चैप्टर शुरू करें, आइए पहले देखते हैं कि उस चैप्टर में क्या बातें खास है जिसे हम ध्यान रखें। व्हाट आर द इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग्स दैट वी शुड कीप इन आवर माइंड and how we can keep the whole chapter in our mind. So moving ahead, let me introduce you the chapter's main theme and the person who is the main center of the chapter. So I must show you, this is the face that we are going to read in the whole chapter. Okay, the person's name is Richard H. E. Bright. Okay, from America, Pennsylvania. ये रिचर्ड ई ब्राइट है जो अमेरिका पेंसिल्वेनिया से है एंड अभी इनकी उम्र 61 ईयर्स है और ये अभी एक यूनिवर्सिटी में एक रिसर्चर, एक साइंटिस्ट के तौर पे अमेरिका में ही काम कर रहे हैं। ये पूरे चैप्टर में आपको रिचर्ड ई ब्राइट का के लाइफ से जुड़े हुए कुछ अहम मुकाम आपको पढ़ने के लिए मिल जाएंगे। इन विच यू विल गेट फर्स्ट हिज चाइल्डहुड. Okay, means you have to study about Richard E. Bright's childhood. Then after this you will also be studying the progress that Richard E. Bright had from his early childhood. Okay, when he was in 1 class, what he achieved. When he went to 2 class, what he achieved. In 3rd standard he lost something. Okay, but he did not stop and he moved ahead. And when he came to 7th standard, then he started his actual journey. What was the journey? Journey क्या थी? तो Richard E. Bright started participating in some science competitions and science fairs. Okay, in 7th standard he failed. I will let you know what was his theme and why he participated. So in 7th standard he failed in the competition. He could not get anything. Everybody in that fair was given something. इनको कुछ नहीं दिया गया. तो रिचर्ड ई ब्राइट कभी पीछे नहीं हटे. ये इन्होंने मेहनत किया और अगले साल की तैयारी की एंड फाइनली in 8th standard he was winner of that. In the same way you will find 9th standard also he was winner. Then next we have 12th standard. Then in his graduation years, okay, even till the final years of his graduation he scored 2nd place. Okay, among something 1510 students class. Okay, when he was in graduation कुछ 1510 स्टूडेंट थे उनके क्लास में, लेकिन out of this 1510 students he got 2nd place and that is also with a highest honor. So this is about Richard E. Bright that we are going to read in the text. Now I must tell you how Richard E. Bright became a scientist. That is totally based upon this monarch butterfly that you see here in the picture. ओके, ये पूरे चैप्टर में आपको इस मोनार्क बटरफ्लाई और रिचर्ड ई ब्राइट से जुड़े हुए सारे चीज़ें आपको मिलेंगे. रिचर्ड ई ब्राइट का बचपन, चाइल्डहुड ऑफ रिचर्ड ई ब्राइट एंड मोनार्क बटरफ्लाई. द बटरफ्लाई दैट बिकेम स्टेयर्स फॉर रिचर्ड ई ब्राइट्स सक्सेस, फॉर रिचर्ड ई ब्राइट्स ये साइंटिफिक life. Okay, that is only one thing, that is monarch butterfly that you will study. This is what we have, monarch butterfly. In the chapter you will also have to study one thing here that you find here. Okay, that is this pupa and the gold spots that you see here on this. Okay, you will have to study, you should keep in mind. Okay, gold spots and other than this you can see in this one also. Okay, if that is not clear here you can see these are monarch butterflies. Yeah, caterpillars are there and these caterpillars have got some gold spots and these spots have got a significant place in the chapter. So we are going to move ahead. These caterpillars turn into butterfly. This is the pupa and then here we have monarch butterfly. So let's move ahead to the chapter. Okay, and the chapter is starts from here with the text. the making of a scientist, right? So as I told you, the chapter is about Richard E. Bright. Okay, so here we go. Richard E. Bright has received the Schill Scholar Award, okay, and the Shearing Plough Award for Biochemistry and Molecular Biology. See, Richard E. Bright scored achieved 2 awards, Schill Scholar and Shearing Plough Award. इन विच फील्ड? तो बायोकेमिस्ट्री एंड मॉलिकुलर बायोलॉजी में, इन 2 चीज़ों में इन्होंने 2 अवार्ड पाए थे. एंड आई मस्ट टेल यू, रिचर्ड ई ब्राइट इज़ मेनली साइंटिस्ट ऑफ मॉलिकुलर बायोलॉजी एंड बायोकेमिस्ट्री. ओके, सो इट वॉज हिज फैसिनेशन फॉर बटरफ्लाई दैट ओपन द वर्ल्ड ऑफ साइंस टू हिम. और रिचर्ड ई ब्राइट जो है वो साइंटिस्ट कैसे बने? तो दिस इज़ जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ बटरफ्लाइज. ओके, he was fascinated toward butterflies and he became finally a scientist. In this chapter you will get to know how a book became a turning point in Richard E. Bright's life and how did his mother help him. Okay, these 2 things you are going to get in this chapter. Okay, there is one saying, before I go ahead I must tell you, एक कहावत है कि अगर आपकी पेरेंट्स आपके शिक्षा की, आपके कला की कदर नहीं करते हैं तो आप कितने भी बड़े कलाकार हो, आपकी कला को आत्महत्या करते देर नहीं लगती. योर आर्ट विल नॉट टेक अ मोमेंट टू सुसाइड. ओके, this happens many places. You can see the movie for this, okay, that is 3 Idiots. Okay, in this movie they have shown it that if your parents don't recognize what kind of quality you have, then you are going to have a devastating life. You are not going to enjoy the life or the job that you are going to do. On the other hand, if your parents, okay, they support and they understand the quality that you have in you, okay, and the art that you have, okay, then obviously you are going to hone that art. You are going to sharpen that art at a very early age. And not only that, in coming ages you are going to get the stares that hardly people get. Okay, so and as an example you can see a living example of Maithili Thakur. I don't want to give any kind of celebrity name, but a common you can see Maithili Thakur, whose parents got to know her interest and her art. Okay, they supported and now she is rising. She is a rising star. Okay, so that is called, if parents support, you have your life. If parents don't support for your art and for your techniques, then you have got nothing in your life. So let's move ahead. At the age of 22, a former scout of the year excited the scientific world with a new theory on how cell works. Okay, Richard H. E. Bright and his college roommate explained the theory in an article in the Proceedings of National Anthem of Science. Okay, you can see from here. Richard E. Bright was at the age of 22 only, 22 साल के थे. Okay, he was also counted as Scout of the Year, Volunteer of the Year, and that person who was Scout of the Year, he wrote a scientific theory. उन्होंने एक theory लिखी थी with the help of his college roommate. And these 2 people, his college roommate and Richard E. Bright, they both got it forwarded. And surprisingly, that research paper, research theory, okay, that came to a national level magazine. What was that? You can see here कि at the age of 22, a former scout of the year excited the scientific world with a new theory on how cell works. Okay, सबसे पहली बात कि जो theory उन्होंने दी थी, that theory was all about cell and how it works. That was given by Richard E. Bright at the age of 22. And Richard H. E. Bright and his friend, means his college roommate, they both had worked in that and they explained the theory in an article. Okay, and the article was surprisingly published in a national level magazine, and the magazine name was the Proceedings of National Academy of Science. Okay, see, you can understand it how great achievement this was. Okay, at the age of 22, by reading the next paragraph only. That next paragraph tells you that what was the level of that achievement. Okay, It was the first time this important scientific journal had ever published the work of college student. Now you can understand, okay, that in the history of that journal, it was the first time when it has published the work of a college student. Means it was not for college students. ये college students के लिए नहीं था. Whenever something was published, it was either of professors or scholars or researchers. Clear? But Richard E. Bright got place in that magazine. Okay. It has been compared. His article has been publishing of his article has been compared. उसके article publish करने के चीज़ को compare किया गया आगे किस बात से? तो in sports that would be like making the big leagues at the age of 15 and hitting a home run your first time at bat for Richard E. Bright. The narrator tells okay कि ये कुछ ऐसा ही था जैसे कि आप 15 साल की उम्र के हो and at that very time only you have hit a big league. Okay, big league, you can say that as in cricket, somebody at the age of 16, 17 only hitting centuries, double centuries. Okay, that is something like that only. Okay, here big leagues and home run talks about baseball game. In America, people play baseball. So in baseball, it has been compared. Okay, it was the first in a long string of achievement. It was the first in a long string of achievements in science and other fields, and it all started with butterfly. At the age of 22, Richard E. Bright had got his first national level recognition with the help of this National Academy of Science journal. Okay, clear? This was the first one that he got, and this all started from his childhood with butterflies. So moving ahead, we go ahead. An only child. E. Bright grew up north of Reading, Pennsylvania, right? Richard E. Bright was only child of his parents. Okay, he was born in Pennsylvania. There is a place named Reading. पेंसिल्वेनिया अमेरिका में एक जगह है और उसमें एक छोटी सी जगह है जिसका नाम है रीडिंग. एंड रीडिंग कह सकते हैं कि दैट वाज जस्ट लाइक अ विलेज काइंड ऑफ प्लेस. ओके, तो जैसे आपने देखा होगा इंडिया में गाँवों में बच्चों को कुछ करने के लिए नहीं होता है. स्कूल गए, वहाँ से पढ़ कर के आए और पढ़ के आने के बाद उनके पास कोई काम नहीं, खाना है, सोना है, उसके बाद बगीचे में खेतों में टहलना है, दौड़ना है, कभी वो चूहे पकड़ते हैं, कभी तितलियाँ पकड़ते हैं. दिस इज़ देयर लाइफ. ओके, होल डे. सो एन ओनली चाइल्ड Richard E. Bright, and the place where he was living, okay, Reading, Pennsylvania, there wasn't much more I could do there. He himself tells, कहते कि वहाँ कोई काम था नहीं. I certainly couldn't play football or baseball with a team of one. He tells कि क्या करता, I had nobody else, मैं अकेला था. ठीक है, ना तो मैं बेसबॉल खेल सकता था, ना ही मैं फुटबॉल खेल सकता था. एक आदमी का टीम नहीं होता है. बट देयर वॉज वन थिंग आई कुड डू, कलेक्ट थिंग्स. लेकिन एक बहुत अच्छी काम ये कर सकते थे. ओके, दैट वर्क वॉज देयर कि ही कुड कलेक्ट थिंग्स. ओके, अपने आसपास से चीज़ों को जमा कर सकते थे. एंड व्हाट वाज द कंसिक्वेंस, ही कलेक्टेड थिंग्स. सो ही डिड ऑल्सो, एंड ही डिड एवर, हमेशा इन्होंने किया, बिगिनिंग इन किंडरगार्टन. और ये कलेक्शन का काम कहाँ शुरू हुआ, तो व्हेन ही वाज इन केजी ओनली. ओके, Bright collected butterfly with the same determination that has marked all his activity. ठीक है, see, Richard E. Bright collected butterfly and that collection was not hampering anything else. He marked his excellency in other activity also. He collected butterflies also. Together with butterflies, he also collected rocks. He collected fossils and coins. ये सारा चीज़ जमा करना इनका एक बचपन का एक आदत बन गया था. एवरी डे ही गॉट बैक फ्रॉम द स्कूल एंड देन ही कलेक्टेड बटरफ्लाइज, फॉसिल्स, रॉक्स, मीन्स वॉट एवर ही गॉट. ही बिकेम एन ईगर एस्ट्रोनॉमर. देन ही बिकेम एन ईगर एस्ट्रोनॉमर. हाउ ही बिकेम, नाउ यू कैन बी सरप्राइज्ड कि चाइल्ड हु इज इन किंडरगार्टन, हाउ ही बिकेम एस्ट्रोनॉमर. सो समटाइम स्टार गेजिंग ऑल नाइट. So reason is there that Richard E. Bright, when he was given to sleep outside or on the roof, okay, he used to gaze at the stars. वो तारों को बहुत ध्यान से देखा करते थे. तो his mother helped him. Okay, as I told you that his mother was the person, okay, who supported him, who gave him all the thing, and who made him a scientist. Actually, from the first he had a driving curiosity along with a bright mind. See, from the first, means to say, you can say when he was in the first standard only, he had a driving curiosity along with a bright mind. ओके, तो बचपन से इनको गाड़ी चलाने का शौक़ था, साथ ही साथ क्या दिमाग भी बहुत ही तेज़ था। ही ऑल्सो हैड अ मदर हु इनकरेज्ड हिज इंटरेस्ट इन लर्निंग। उनकी एक माँ भी थी जिनका काम क्या था, उनको सीखने में इनकरेज करना। हर वर्क वॉज टू इनकरेज हिज लर्निंग। ओके, मीन्स शी यूज टू हेल्प हिम दैट यू लर्न मोर, आई विल सपोर्ट यू, आई विल गाइड यू, आई विल प्रोवाइड यू ऑल द थिंग। ओके, फॉर दैट शी नो डाउट प्रोवाइडेड ऑल्सो, शी टुक हिम ऑन ट्रिप्स। इनको नए नए जगह में घुमाने के लिए लेके जाती थी एंड वहाँ से इन्हें सीखने के लिए मिलता था। बाउट हिम टेलीस्कोप्स, उनको टेलीस्कोप लेके दिया। शी गेव हिम माइक्रोस्कोप, कैमराज, माउंटिंग मटेरियल्स एंड अदर इक्विपमेंट एंड हेल्प हिम इन मैनी अदर वेज। और बहुत सारे अलग अलग तरीक़ों से उन्होंने शी हेल्प रिचर्ड ई ब्राइट। See, if you compare India and Europe, Europe has got some different kind of culture. Okay, in Europe, पेरेंट्स आर क्वाइट फ्रेंडली विद देयर चिल्ड्रन। इन इंडिया यू सी, ओके, इंडिया में किसी बच्चे से पूछो कि तुमने कहाँ कहाँ घूमा है, तो वो 2-4 जगह ही कहेंगे। ठीक है, किसी धार्मिक स्थल हो जाए, वो मंदिर मस्जिद, या तो शॉपिंग मॉल, या तो ज़्यादा होगा तो क्या होगा, शॉपिंग मॉल के बाद सिनेमा हॉल, बस इतना पे ही ख़त्म हो जाता है। ठीक है, उनसे कभी पूछो, यू आस्क देम कि हैव यू एवर विजिटेड अ म्यूजियम, देन हार्डली दे विल रिप्लाई यस और नो। They are not taken by their parents to such places where they can they can unearth their history, they can learn something from the earlier people, about the earlier people. Nothing is given like this in India, and that is what we have. We spend our almost half of the life only in watching other people enjoying their life. Okay, we go to religious places, we see there same everyday routine. We go to cinema, we go to restaurant, okay, and then we have our shopping malls. But in Europe, America, this is not the case. Children are presented only those things which can give them a bright mind and which can help them to learn and to develop themselves. Okay, so Richard E. Bright was given all these things: telescope, microscope, cameras, mounting material. Okay, he was given trips also. And his mother tells, I was his only companion until he started school. His mother said after that I would bring home friends for him. But at night we just did things together. Richie was my whole life after his father died when Richie was in 3rd grade. See, his mother tells very sorrowfully and very means you can say बहुत ही शांत स्वभाव की रही होगी। एंड शी स्पीक्स दैट आई वॉज हिज ओनली कंपेनियन। शी टेल्स कि रिची के साथ खेलने वाला कोई नहीं था। ठीक है, मैं उसका सबसे आई बिकेम हर बेस्ट फ्रेंड। कब तक, जब तक वह स्कूल नहीं गया। आफ्टर दैट आई वुड ब्रिंग होम फ्रेंड्स, उसके बाद उसके लिए जो है उसके घर में खेलने के लिए चीज़ों को इकट्ठे करती है, एंड दैट बिकेम हिज होम फ्रेंड्स। बट एट नाइट वी जस्ट डिड थिंग्स टुगेदर। लेकिन रात होते ही क्या होता था, रिची एंड हिज मदर मीन्स रिचर्ड ई ब्राइट एंड हिज मदर, दे बोथ सैट टुगेदर। Okay, they both spent some time together, they shared each other, okay, notions, each other's thoughts, what problem Richard E. Bright had, what her mother had to suggest him, everything was shared. Richie was my whole life after his father died. His mother tells that Richie was the only person in the life of Richard E. Bright's mother, and Richard E. Bright father died when Richard E. Bright was in 3rd standard only. She and her son spent almost every evening at the dining table. If he didn't have things to do, I found work for him, not physical work, but learning things, his mother said. He liked it, he wanted to learn. His mother tells, okay, every evening they used to eat together on the table. I must tell you one comment I would like to make here. See, in many parts, especially if somebody is from Bihar or any kind of middle class family, we have got one problem. Okay, आज आप कई सारे परिवारों में देखते हैं तो उनके यहाँ शाम को जब भोजन होता है, when they sit for dining, okay, then everybody has got their mobiles in their hands. They look into their mobile and then they keep eating. There is no discussion going on, nobody is speaking, they are eating and watching in the mobile. When they get called, they leave their food and then they go out. This is what we have, some ridiculous kind of system in our society that people have gout. This is just like a disease. But here you find Richard E. Bright spent a very good time at evening at the dining table. If he didn't have things, and that's why his mother tells कि if he didn't have things, उनके पास कोई काम नहीं होता, तो she used to give work to him, not for physical that he should get tired. She used to give things which can make him learn something, that he can do something and learn something. His mother said he liked it, he wanted to learn, and he worked on this also, and he learned also. Okay, this is what we have about Richard E. Bright. I would stop this video here only. In next video I will go ahead from this very place and learn he did. From this very place we will move ahead, and I would request all the people, if there is somebody else want to get a proper explanation, they should visit the channel. If you want anything else, you should put your request here. Till that, for watching this video, thanks to all the people. See you next time.